Hi, I'm Treasure. Here's a space where we talk about life, wellness, and becoming better every day. As Valentine Day approaches, many people focus on superficial expressions of love. Flowers, chocolate, grand gifts remain to be impressed. Yet the profound essence of love is rarely recognized. The most enduring connection are fortunately in invisible display, but in the subtle, often imperceptible choice we made for one another.
Love, in its most authentic form, is a dynamic force. An energy that flows between individuals who cultivate trust, patience, and understanding. It is not a commodity to be possessed, not a transaction to be calculated. It manifests in quiet acts, listening attentively, choosing kindness when it is inconvenient, remaining steadfast when circumstances are challenging. This seemingly insignificant decision repeated consistently. This construct the invisible architecture of relational intimacy. Though they are not recognized immediately, but over time, they form this comforting upon which enduring and meaningful bonds are built. Though most individuals overlook the magnitude of these unseen actions, believing the love is measured by spectacles or excitement. Yet, the invisible decision, the choices to be compassionate, to forgive, to remain present, carry far more significance than any outward display. So, my darling, true love is an ongoing deliberate practice. It requires conscious attention, disciplined care, an unwavering commitment to nurture the emotional and spiritual well-being of another. So, for your good, reflect on your own relationship. Ask yourself these questions. Am I contributing to the innocent foundations of connection? Am I present, patient, and understanding even when no one is watching? Am I choosing kindness and love consistently rather than sporadically or when convenient? These are the questions that transform love from a fleeting emotion into a spiritual enduring force.
Remember, love is invisible, deep, and eternal. The choices you made quietly, consistently, and consciously today will determine the longevity of your relationship tomorrow. Nurture love wisely, treasure it deeply, and let it flow with intentionality in every interaction. So, thanks for being here with me today. Remember, life is a journey, wellness is a choice, and every day is a chance to be better. Stay well, stay growing, and I will see you next time.